Hi, welcome to today's video. Today's video is about testing your internet speed. This was a suggestion from one of my subscribers, Clive Amakobe. And I want just to say thank you so much, Clive, for requesting this. And my friend, I just want to share with you how you can test your internet speed either on your phone or on your PC. So my friend, one of the best websites that I will recommend is speedtest.net. So my friend, all you need to do is to run speedtest.net, and my friend, you will load this homepage. On this homepage, all you need to do is to click on go, and you will wait for a few moments. Then it will run the speed test. First of all, it will run the download speed. Then it will also run the upload speed, and it will give you all these results in a few. So let's give it a little bit of time, then it will show us whatever we want. So it has already loaded the download speed, which is 7.32 Mbps. So let's wait for the upload speed. So you can see it has loaded both the download speed and the upload speed. So they are nearly the same because we can see the download speed is 7.32 Mbps and the upload speed is 7.30 Mbps. And my friend, it also gives you where you are located, that is in Nairobi, Kenya. And it gives you the server or your internet host, who is Safaricom. And my friend, it's best, to give you a glimpse of how fast your internet is. The second website that I will recommend is Internet Speed. And all you need to do, my friend, is to click here. So first of all, you will run fast.com. And then once you run it, it will automatically start scanning your speed, and it will give you the speed of your internet in a few moments. So just give it a little bit of time, and it is going to load that very speed. So we shall do a comparison between these two and see which one is almost correct. So my friend, here we can see the speed is 7.1 Mbps, and if I click on more information, you can see that the upload speed is around 7.8 Mbps, but then I guess it's still loading, and we can see it is almost the same as this for speed test. So my friend, let's give it a little bit of time for it to completely load and give us the full information. So my friend, it has loaded. It has given us the upload speed of 6.5 Mbps. Then if you look from speed test, it gave us 7.30 Mbps. So maybe the internet connection and speed is fluctuating, and my friend, we expect that to happen. So it might give us right figures, and also it can give us wrong figures. So my friend, let's run a third speed test, and we shall compare the three, maybe get an average and see how fast our computer is. I am so afraid that this does not give you the download speed, but what it gives us is the latency. That is how fast does your computer or your internet respond after you click. So we can see it responds after 25 milliseconds. That's something good. Did this one give us? Yes. The response rate is 20 milliseconds. So my friend, the last website I will recommend is the speed test for Google itself. And all you need to do is to just type in speed test. Then you will get this as the first result. My friend, you can decide to read through all this, but then my interest is in here. So this has been built by Google. I don't know if it is all over the world. I was told by a friend of mine that it is in some countries, and in some countries it is not available. Maybe he was saying when it was still a beta version, but today I guess it is not a beta version. So my friend, all you need to do is now to click on run. And my friend, I may say that Google speed test is not that reliable. It might give us wrong information. But then we can check and see how far it can take us. So let's give it a little bit of time, then it will load for us both the upload and the download speed. So just give it a few moments. It is loading. So it has loaded the first download speed. Let's now wait for the upload speed and see what the difference is. So my friend, it has loaded all the speeds. We have the download speed as 3.73 Mbps. It has also the upload speed as 3.92 Mbps. So my friend, you can see it is giving us a little bit slower internet. And my friend, it also gives us the the server where we are located in Nairobi. Then it is telling us your internet connection is slow, and it also gives us additional information. It says that your internet connection should be able to handle one device at a time streaming a video. If multiple devices are using this connection at the same time, you may run into some congestion. So if your internet is fast enough, they will tell you you can even upload up to HD videos. And my friend, if you don't really trust these results, you can also test it again. But again, I said the Google test is not that very much perfect because it might give you wrong information. So let's see. The speed test gave us a 7.32 and a 7.30. Then the fast internet speed test gave us a 6.5 Mbps for the upload speed. So it was a difference of around 1 point something, which is not badly off. But then Google gave us 3.73 and a 3.92, which is a big difference. Like from 7 to 3, it is so big. So Clive and any other person who's been asking about how to test your internet speed, my friend, these are the 3 ways you can use to test your internet speed, either on your phone or on your computer. You may say I've not shown you on your phone. The same thing that I've done here, you can do it on your phone. It will give you the same results. My friend, I hope that this video has helped you, and if that is the case, feel very free to boop that like button. My friend, you can also subscribe to this channel, and not only subscribe, ring that bell so that you do not miss any other future tips, tricks or tutorials. Otherwise, I hope I will see you in my next video. Peace.